Now, welcome back, folks. So today we're going to take a look here at this product from Brickell Men's Products. This is a restoring eye cream. So at first, before I used that, I had started using the eye serum treatment here. And then I became aware of, it's a good idea, I guess, to use the eye cream also. So I started using that as well. And that has ended up working out real well. It's basically November now. All the way back in August, I had real dark circles under both of these eyes here. And, I was looking for something to kind of make that a bit better. And I've been using these on a regular basis now for a while, and it's ended up working out pretty good. So let's take a closer look at this. So here with the Restoring Eye Cream. So the main kind of ingredients in this is aloe, MSM, and then also protein peptides. But there is a substantial list of all sorts of different things. Various oils and like coconut oil, sunflower oil. You got hyaluronic acid in it. Different extracts like blueberry extract, raspberry seed oil, Oregon grape, licorice, arnica, I believe I saw in here. So quite a bit, a substantial list that actually takes up two sides of the box. Pretty much to use this, very simple. You don't have to use a lot. I pretty much just kind of dab my finger in there and just get, something like that, and then just kind of rub it in. Now I use the eye serum first from Brickell first. I kind of put that down, let it dry for a minute, and then I go ahead and put this on top and just rub it in. Doesn't really leave any residue, or you don't notice it in the mirror or anything after it dries up. So, but yeah, works pretty good. Just kind of rub it in, let it do its thing. I just use it overnight pretty much. So I'd also get the eye serum too, but you don't necessarily have to. I started with the eye serum and then also added this into the mix as well. But I think in terms of it's good value for the money because a little bit actually goes a long way. And myself, I think I'm starting to see a difference. So, anyways, definitely check this out. I've enjoyed using these products here, and they seem to work good for me. So y'all give them a try, and we'll see y'all next time.